Hey guys, we're gonna be making slime today with our big brother Dijon, as he always has been making his videos.
And also me, Sonic.
That's his name on the YouTube video. I mean, Nintendo.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dijon, aka D Means, back with another video. And today I have my little brothers with me.
I'm Michael.
I'm Braylon.
And we are going to show you
How to make slime.
Right. So
By using these stuff.
Glue, water,
And
food
also
coloring,
will-
and some type of cleaning stuff.
starch.
Starch.
So they've been wanting to do a video with me since I started my channel. And you know, Dijon love the kids. I love the kids, man, right?
Yes, dude.
And I'm always
Yeah.
nice to y'all, right?
Yes, dude.
What?
He just said no, I think.
He said sometimes. Alright, man, well, let's go ahead and get into the video.
The bowl.
So step one, we got to take some clear glue.
And pour it into the bowl.
Right. Press it, squeeze it. Squeeze it.
Yeah. Make funny sounds. Isn't that funny?
No.
I think it is.
Step two, we take a half a cup of water.
And pour it into the bowl.
Pour it into the bowl.
Yeah. Step 3.
Add some drops of food color.
This is gonna be slimy.
Alright.
Step 4.
Step 4, we mix it up and slowly add liquid starch.
This is gonna be fun.
Whoa. Guys,
Oh, it's getting on.
guys, it's working. And put a like on here if you like it, okay? And put a like on here if you like it, okay? Good.
He's actually getting with it.
Alright, now let Bray stir a little bit.
Okay. Make sure you stir a
Keep
little
going,
faster,
stir a little
Braylon.
bit. Like stir harder.
Yeah, stir harder. It's gonna be fun a lot. We're gonna make the whole thing.
Alright, let me stir.
Oh, you made me so.
Whoa. Slime.
This is the first time we made slime.
And we did it.
It's awesome. It's awesome.
Green.
Slime. And for the test out, we'd touch it.
Okay.
Oh, that is slimy.
It's
So slimy.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at that.
Oh my gosh.
So slimy. Go watch it.
Touch it. Touch it.
It's so slimy.
Okay.
It sticks to me.
It sticks to me. Oh my gosh. I should go wash this off.
Alright. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I need some subscribers now. That's not funny. But I'll see y'all in the next video. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dijon, aka D Me. Today I have my brothers. Mikey, turn the fan off, please. I forgot about that.
Okay. I am Michael.
I'm Sonic.
No. And pour it into the.
The bowl.
So step one, we gotta take some clear glue.
And pour it into the bowl.
Right.
And then we put the
Wait.
water.
Wait.
Put it all in.
I have the toys just
Go get mommy.